I just hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and got monetized on YouTube in about 30 days. By the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the 4 things that I did that made a difference. Let's get right into it. The first thing that made a difference was posting DJ mixes. Let me explain. So us as DJs, we have a unfair advantage on YouTube. What that means is, if you don't know by now, DJs, they are posting mixes, and these mixes are getting a lot of views and are racking up watch hours. So this right here was the first mix that I did. I uploaded it on July 14th, as you can see, and it got 4.7 thousand views and got 1,549 watch hours. This other mix right here that I did is an old school salsa mix. It was posted on July 20th. It's an hour long, just like the last one was, and it got 5,100 views and 1,434 watch hours. Now, whenever you are making these mixes, I want to be clear, you don't need to do any talking or anything fancy. If you really want to get hits really fast, I would say focus on old school R&B. Old school R&B is a secret sauce. Now, whenever you're doing these mixes, what I recommend is just picking out your favorite songs, make them about an hour long, and then just mix in and mix out. What's going to happen is the people that are listening to these mixes, they're really doing this while they're cleaning or while they're driving, and really people are just searching for these mixes and putting on things while they're doing other things like doing chores and things like that. So that's why I say you don't really have to be fancy. They are just looking, just something to listen to. Treat it like a radio station, but better, because this is really authentic and this is from a DJ's touch versus the regular programming of a radio station. The second thing that I did that made a difference was posting consistently. So if you look at my page here, I was posting literally like every week or sometimes twice a week. If you look at these mixes, right now we're about 30 days in, but you can see a month ago, 4 weeks ago, another 4 weeks, 4 weeks, 4 weeks. And you can see that I was posting really consistently. This right here is really going to make a difference to help you get your watch hours up and get your subscribers, and also to feed in the algorithm, which is going to bring me to my next point, and that's going to be talking about reels. The third thing that made a difference was posting reels consistently. So if you go to my YouTube channel and go to my shorts, this right here is all of my shorts that I've been posting recently. So pretty much all I did was everything that I was posting on my Instagram, as you can see here on my Instagram, all I was doing was just taking, every time that I posted something, I would just go to my YouTube page and just repost it there. And then what this is going to do is it's going to help you bring more eyeballs to your page, because what happens is some of the people that watch your shorts, they're then going to go to your main page and watch your long form content, which is your mixes. And you want to make sure that you are making reels that kind of coincide with the type of stuff that you are posting. I post a lot of DJ content, and most of my followers are DJs, so I'm giving you the blueprint of what to do. So I post a lot of stuff for my setups, and then a lot of my followers then go to my page and then listen to my mixes. But I want to caution this on you, because if you look at your analytics on your long form content like your mixes, you want to look at who exactly is looking at your reels. One thing that I noticed early on, that whenever I was posting my R&B mixes and I was looking at the analytics, a lot of females was watching my mixes versus guys, which is fine if that's what you're going for. But I know that majority of my followers are DJs, and I like to market a lot of my things towards DJs, and I look at my analytics a lot, and the majority of the people who follow me are males. So not really a knock against males or females. I'm just letting you know that whenever you are posting these mixes, make sure that you are tuned in to the analytics and look at who is watching your reels. Before we get into the fourth and final thing that really make a difference, I want to let you know that you can schedule a free one-on-one consultation with me. The consultation is about 15 minutes, and during this 15 minutes, we can quickly build rapport, and then we can go over your goals and come up with a plan to achieve your goals as a DJ. If we run out of time during the 15 minutes, then we have the option to move into a 1 hour paid one-on-one coaching. During this coaching, it's in the same setting just like this, face-to-face. We can also screen share, so I can show you some things on my end, or you can screen share and you can show me some things on your end. I highly recommend you do the one-on-one coaching, because this really gives us more time. We don't have to rush, and we can really deep dive into getting you a game plan on getting to where you want to be as a professional DJ. Links in the description. And now the fourth and final thing that actually made a difference in this YouTube monetization, and that is making sure that you are leveraging your existing audience. So right now for me, I have over 27,000 followers. And what I mean by that is anytime that you post anything, you want to make sure that you link it to your link tree, because every time that I posted a reel or posted my YouTube videos, I made sure that I directed people to go to my link tree to check it out. Your existing audience already knows about you. So now what you're trying to do is you're trying to leverage your audience from that platform over to YouTube. This really helps in boosting your views and engagement because it's leveraging your existing audience and bringing them over from that platform over to YouTube. So if you follow all 4 of these steps, in about 30 days, probably less, your analytics will look something like this right here. So you're gonna have your views, you're gonna have your watch time, you're gonna have your subscribers. But really what we wanna focus on is the watch time and the subscribers. And this is in the last 30 days. And if you're over 30 and still DJing in bars and clubs and wanna break into the wedding scene, watch this video here. But if you're a DJ who needs help marketing yourself on social media, check out this video here.